Wow. Look at that. Hey, what is up, guys? Today in this video, I'm gonna be doing a little challenge. Now, I'm guessing you guys know this challenge. It's not even like a challenge. Like, I guess it's an experiment. A lot of people done this, and it's really cool. So I'm gonna get right into it. Right now. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this challenge or experiment is some baking soda. Of course, you need baking soda, and then some vinegar. So if you guys know this challenge, you probably already know it by now. If I said baking soda and vinegar, so basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour this vinegar into the baking soda, and it's gonna create an explosion. Okay, so I don't want to get anything bad, so I put some ugly towels that I don't use anymore. Ooh. What? And I'm beast, so I do it even more. Wow. Look at that. Okay, so let's see here. I had to move it back because it was starting to get a little too wet. Look at all that. Wow. That is so cool. That is so cool, guys. I hope you liked this experiment because, wow, that was awesome. And by the way, if you're wondering what vinegar I used, it doesn't really matter what vinegar you use, it just matters that it's vinegar. And it doesn't really matter what baking soda you use, it just matters that it's baking soda. So, I hope you guys, you can try this at home. Just make sure you put a few towels or do it in a bowl or something, because that is definitely, like, that is a big explosion. If you add even more, maybe I'll do that in like a future video where I add even more baking soda and even more vinegar. And maybe in a video I'll make slime or something like that. But I will see you guys in the next video. Super fun. Now I gotta go clean up. Dear Lord. See you guys in the next one. Bye. Bye, experiment. Oh no. That's stuck in there.